I finally made it here before the game starts.
Uh-oh.
What?
Scary ass fucking scar.
It's not that bad.
Are you running with red?
Two over,
Yeah.
take over KC, one takes
Is
over.
my GoPro on, running, not looking stupid?
Stop! My baby! Mama, wait for me!
Hey, he's good! He's dead! Two dead, two dead!
Okay.
Down, barricade.
I'll let you move! Tyler, window, window! Hey, good shot!
Little fucking Kingsley! Ah, most definitely.
Go, Tyler, go! Oh, shit. In the small window all the way across. What you got, brother? Nothing? I'm completely out. I'm dry. Cold the van. What you got, man?
Here right now.
Yo, at the blue barrel, do not stand up right now. Did we trade or am I in?
No, you got it.
Okay. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Are you out? I couldn't tell if he was playing or not. Still there, right side. In the building in green. He's hit. Good call up. Woo! I don't know if he did, but I didn't react fast enough. I'll be right back. Hold it. Are you red or green? Green out the van, green out the van. Reloading. One hit. There's still one more hiding behind the barrel. Go ahead, drop. Behind the blue barrel, do you see him? I'm out. Hammer the van, hammer the van, hammer the van. Bruh, me and like 3 others held the airport corner for hella long.
I was everywhere.
I think I'm only going to do one today though.
No, yeah, no problem, kid.
Shit.
That's some fucking shit in though. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, you'll see that clip later.
Hell yeah.